Good day to our respective employer. First of all, thank you for giving me these opportunities to introduce myself. My name is Charmin Presi Frial, 29 of age, married, but suddenly I was separated. I have no children. I'm from Philippines. I am college graduate, Bachelor Science in Agriculture. It is my first time to apply, but I am willing to learn and do my best to learn. I have experience as domestic helper in Philippines year 2010 to 2013. I clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care a child. And I know how to cook a simple food, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am hardworking person, reliable, honest, and trustworthy. If you hire me, ma'am, sir, it is a great platform to showcase my skills and abilities with you. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day.